Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the warehouse space in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get started. When you open up your backpack in Heartopia, you will see two options, guys, right here. The first one is the backpack, and then the second one is the warehouse. And you can only open it when you're at home, and you can store your items in the warehouse if your backpack is full, but sometimes your warehouse is also full. So here I'm going to show you how you can increase the space of the warehouse. Okay, you're going to go to this NPC, guys, catching. You can track her on the map. She's right here. Okay, this is catching, and you're going to track her. And once you find her, you need to go to her store. You're going to go to the general store, and then you're going to scroll down, and then here you will see the backpack or warehouse expansion. And then I'm going to buy the warehouse expansion. I'm going to buy one, and you will need stars. Okay, now it's done. And to use the warehouse, you need to go to your house and you can store your items there. Okay, I'm at my home, and then I'm going to open up my warehouse. Okay, and these are the items I store in my warehouse. Okay guys, and that's how you can increase the warehouse space in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!